It's funny how every December feels like a movie montage, right? We look back at our wins, our struggles, all the memories that we had, but there is a voice in our head that says, I want more. So before we start racing ahead into 2026, we will build a vision for our version, which has been waiting impatiently. So basically, what is a vision board? It is a compilation of images which is similar to your dreams. Okay, so I've been doing it in every December from last 2 years. And why does a vision board matter is sometimes we think we are stuck. We forget that what we are running for. There is we sometimes we get too much involved in what we are doing that we forget why we even started. So when we see our vision every day, it starts shifting into reality. You start becoming the person who can achieve all of this. So don't worry if you have tried this and it didn't work out before, because at last I'm going to give you tips that can effectively help your vision board come into reality. So how do we make a vision board? Most of you might make it in Pinterest. Right? They also go with like Canva, like basic adding images and then setting it into a college. Before we get into all of this, like this making a vision board and everything, I want you guys to take a paper, okay? Take a paper and pen and write this following sectors. You can include about books, you can include about if you want to learn any skill, art or cooking or learning any sports or dance or anything. And if you want to go to any trips, you can write about those places. You can write about your academic goals, what you want to achieve, about your scores, about your grades, especially if you are a JEE student. So guys, try going as deep as possible in your mind and get out every single thing that you want to achieve in 2026. And you can include quotes in the middle of the images too. Then this board feels like something that you have created with your own hands and you start valuing it a lot, not like something that one you can easily get in Pinterest. There are already many existing boards, but that is not your vision, right? Put your core identity in the middle, okay, and then your wins at the top and your love and comfort at the bottom. So this is like how you make a simple vision board. And hope you guys are left with a beautiful thing to start your year with. After making vision board, we need to follow some steps and tips that can help us turn our vision board into reality. So the first step is the 10-second future you check. How would the person on my vision board react right now? Point number 2 is write one thing that you did today that has brought you one step closer to your vision board, right? Step number 3, try doing one action per day from your vision board, from your goals. You can't manage everything in a single day, but you can have it like twice or thrice a week. Point number 4, which is which can actually help you get your vision board into reality, is a weekly check or weekly review. Obviously, how you do a review is you write down whatever things that have helped you reach closer and whatever that did not help you or that acted as an obstacle, and of course you decode a solution. So guys, with this, we are at the end of the video, and now imagine waking up next December and be like, this is what once I've printed and put on a board. It feels amazing. Now it's all in your hands. This is your sign to make your vision board this week. And if you dare, drop in the comment section lowering my 2026 era. See you guys all in the next video. Wonderland signing off.